It's time to answer your Twitter questions here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange with Jim Cramer. Jim, first up is FireEye. This question asks, is it a trade or an investment?
I think at this point you can finally make it an investment. I spoke with Palo Alto's CEO, Mr. McLaughlin, Mark McLaughlin. Look, the sector is just really on fire, and FireEye did deliver a good number.
All right, well, given LinkedIn's earnings miss, Eugene asks, what's your take on social media stocks?
All right, I think that you really have to, this is the beginning of when Facebook is pulling away from everybody. You want to own Facebook. Twitter down here, I would not sell, I would be a buyer. LinkedIn wasn't nearly as bad as it looked, but I don't want to necessarily own the stock, and Yelp was just bad.
Let's talk Kroger. What's going on with them? Any chance they could turn around?
Kroger is entirely a function of gasoline, as is many of these stocks. I think Kroger is a buy here, but be careful. If gasoline goes up because oil goes above 60, Kroger will keep going down. This is a one-for-one trade. It's just about oil.
We have Alibaba reporting next week. Tracy asks if Alibaba's hiring freeze is a pre-warning that earnings may disappoint.
I think it could be. I think that you should be buying Yahoo after Alibaba reports, because Yahoo, remember, you subtract Alibaba, you subtract Yahoo Japan, and Yahoo's worth zero, and that's just not the case.
It's funny, actually, Roberto notes that Yahoo seems undervalued, but still says it's down 15% year to date. Should he give up on it?
They need to start getting some growth drivers. I've been suggesting that they buy the now deflated Yelp, and they buy some of these companies like a Postmates, put together an entire vertical about service. It would change the fortunes of the company. I really wish Marissa Mayer would listen to me. I've been around longer than she has. I am right about this.
All right, well, thank you so much, Jim. Make sure to keep the questions coming and always use hashtag KramerQ. That's Jim Cramer, and I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.